Hello and welcome to CCNA Lab 008 InterVLAN Routing ROAS, or what we call Routing on a Stick Troubleshooting number Part 1. So here's the given topology for this lab and the tasks for this lab. So ang gagawin lang natin dito ay troubleshooting. Hanapin natin yung one misconfiguration sa topology na ito or one or more sa na misconfiguration. So, let's go to PC1. Subukan natin siyang i-ping. So, let's go to ping 10.0.0.130, which is the PC2. So, it doesn't work. Next, let's go ping PC3. Ping 10.0.0.3. It works. And lastly, PC4. It doesn't work. So, ang gagawin natin ay hahanapin natin yung misconfiguration. So, let's go to switch 1. Ang gagawin natin, hanapin natin yung mga misconfiguration, which is yung first, yung VLAN. Kung check natin, show VLAN brief. So, you can see, active naman. Naka-assign naman siya sa VLAN 13 and 24. Let's go to switch 2. Check natin, same process. Kung naka-assign nga ba. Show VLAN brief. So, you can see active. So, meaning, naka-assign naman yung mga VLAN to their specific uh, fast Ethernet. Yeah. So, ano ba yung susunod natin? So, how about yung trunk? Show interfaces trunk. As you can see, naka-trunk siya ng maayos. So, hindi ito yung problema. So, going back, same process. Show interfaces trunk. So, wala naman. Okay naman siya. So, ang hanapin natin yung baka baka doon sa mga PC. Tingnan natin yung mga ano nila, IP config, default gateways, tama, IP address, tama. How about PC2? IP config. You can see pareho sa ano, pati yung default gateway. PC3, IP config. So you can see pareho naman sila ng ano, IP at saka default gateway. And lastly, PC4. IP config. So yan, si pareho. So, meaning, hindi ito yung problema. So, let's go find another solution. Let's go to R1. We're going to show IP interface brief. You can see, wala namang mali dito. Naka-assign naman yung mga sub interface at meron naman naka-assign ng IP address. Wala namang mali dito. So, let's check sub interface 0.013 by using the command show interface G0/013. You can see yung sa encapsulation VLAN ID is 13. How about show interface G0013? 24. And nakita na natin yung problema. Nakalagay dito, I encapsulation bilang ID 14 and not 24. So, we're going to fix that. Conf G, int G0024, and encapsulation that 1Q 24 zip, and check natin ulit. Show interface G024. So, napalitan na natin. So, check natin kung yun na ba ang hinahanap nating one misconfiguration. So, let's try ping PC1 to PC2, 10.0.0.130. So, it works. Let's try ulit para consistent. And now, how about PC3? Yeah, it works. PC4. It works. Try ko po ulit para consistent. How about going to PC2? PC2 to PC1, PC2 to PC3, PC2 to PC4, 10.0.0.2. Yeah, it works. Ping 10.0.0.3. It works. Ulitin ko lang para consistent. Yan. And lastly, yung PC4. 131. Yeah, it works. How about PC3? We're going to do the same process, being 10.0.0.2. Yeah, being 10.0.0.130. Yeah, it works. And lastly, for PC4, being, yeah, as you can see, okay naman. And lastly, itong PC4, yeah, being PC1, it works. PC2, it works. And lastly, PC3, it works. Meaning, natapos na natin yung uh, solution sa problemang ito. So, natapos na din natin. So, thank you for watching and thank you.